Hey, this is Conan with CR Components. Excited to show you some brand new Rexroth brake packs we got for Bobcat T-Series drive motors. So the older series Bobcats all use this size on your MCR10 Rexroth motors over here to your smaller MCR5s. They all use that larger brake pack. All the new drive motors have the brakes in the outside cover. This is for all your earlier series ones. Comes with the outer discs, the inside discs, and 3 different sizes of shims here. So you can shim this differently for an easier brake release. These come pre-stacked just under 1.5 inches, like 1.497 or 498. So you should be good to go to use it straight how it comes out of the box. If you're having an issue with this brake pack going out, one thing you really need to check is your case drain filter. So there's an inline filter that comes off the case of these motors right here, and sometimes they tee in, sometimes you'll have 2 case drains, but when that starts to get filled with debris, it'll back pressure this drive motor and actually back pressure on the other side of your brake piston, reducing your brake release effectiveness. So this brake pack will start dragging metal on metal, and this will get hot, sometimes weld itself together. But if you have to replace this, most likely you do have some issues with your case drain being clogged, so definitely check that. And this can be found at crcomponents.com and many other things to come. Thank you.